Okay, so what I've done is I picked up, all the stuff that's kind of like on the floor. You can see the floor's really dirty, and I put all the chairs up. It's gonna have to go around some stuff, but I think it's ready to go. And I don't know if I start it from the app or I just start it from over here, but all right, here we are, right? It says that we're ready to go. Standard room, we're 98% charged, so that's good. I guess all we gotta do is, let's see if we just go like that. And it says, let's prep Roomba for its first cleaning. Install edge swiping, we did that. Make sure it's charged, yep, it's pretty charged. Roomba's ready. Okay, and all we gotta do is press that button and it should start. Here it goes. Bam. It's calibrating. Here it goes. Let's see what happens. All right. I sped the video up about 900%, so it's moving much faster than it does in real life. So yeah, you can even see on here where it's gone so far. So it's on the app, it's doing its thing. All right, so I'm doing a screen recording at the same time, and so you guys will be able to see this on here. All right, so there's our screen recording. I'm doing it. For some reason, it's saying that cleaning is complete. I don't think it is, though. All right, well, here she goes. We're redocking.
Charging.
All right, that's it. It just did this room here. Now, it did not go over here, though. So apparently it must think that this is another room. So, yeah, I guess we're gonna have to do this part of the room too.